Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a tutorial video on using the CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module to power the CUAV X7 Plus. PMU 2 Lite is a power management module designed for unmanned system devices. It is equipped with an STM32H5 processor, runs the self-developed M4C architecture software, and adopts the ITT3 temperature impedance tracking algorithm, which can accurately measure voltage and current in real time. It supports a wide voltage input range of 20V, 70V and current detection up to 220A. CUAV X7 Plus is a premium controller designed and produced by CUAV. It adopts the STM32H7 series processor, which has higher performance than Pixhawk FMU V5X, and integrates high-precision industrial-grade sensors and ultra-low temperature drift sensors. It supports ArduPilot and PX4 firmware. The X7 Plus series has better stability and anti-interference performance. The video mainly consists of 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wires. How to demonstrate. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this wiring test are CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module, CUAV X7 Plus, CRC7, Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used in this test are QS8S to JST adapter cable, Telem 1 cable, S.bus cable receiver power cable, flight control power supply line. How to connect the wires. The UART1 port of the receiver is connected to the Telem 1 port of the X7 Plus flight controller. The UART1 connector is GH1.25 3-pin, and the Telem 1 connector is GH1.25 6-pin. The S.bus port of the receiver is connected to the RC port of the flight controller. The S.bus connector is GH1.25 2-pin, and the RC port connector is DuPont 2.54 mm. The power port of the PMU 2 Lite Power Module is connected to the Power C port of the flight controller. The PMU 2 Lite Power Module connects to the battery to supply power to the flight controller. The QS8S to JST adapter cable connects to the power module, and the receiver power cable supplies power to the CRC7 receiver. The RC7 receiver connector is XT30. How to demonstrate. Open the CUAV ground station and connect it to the flight controller. You can see the battery voltage displayed directly in the upper right corner of the ground station. When rotating the flight controller, the ground station can display the real-time flight controller status. Connect the flight controller to the computer using a USB cable. After connecting the flight controller to the Mission Planner ground station, there is no need to set parameters, plug and play. The battery voltage and capacity are displayed directly. Then use a multimeter to measure the actual battery voltage. The voltage measured by the multimeter and the voltage displayed on the ground station differ by only 0.1 V. This concludes the tutorial video on using the CUAV PMU 2 Lite Power Module to power the CUAV X7 Plus. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content or would like us to explain a specific part in more detail in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.